and welcome back. I've been waiting for this. This is hopefully the tail light for my car that we will be restoring on this channel and making all cool and stuff. I'm gonna put it on. If I look a little crazy and a bit disheveled, I'm off today from work. I've been chilling, hanging out all day. I ordered this about a week and a half ago and it said it wouldn't be here until the end of March. Right now it's February 10th. No, February 9th. So it's only been a week that I ordered it. It came all the way from Greece. How it got here so fast, I will not question. If it's the right parts, I will question. And this is what we will find out right now. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. That looks just right. Heck yeah, let's shove it in. This is crazy easy. Just take me like 3 minutes. Another small thing here. Let's take a look at this. This right here, we're gonna have to try and extract. I don't know how to. We'll figure it out right now. Alright, let's see. No. Got it. Look at that. I'm in my mode. With arms wide open, look up to this place. Show you everything. That song's gonna get stuck in your head. Okay, solid. Good, too tight there. Bumper looks like it's pushed in a bit, but once we get it painted, it'll be there. Solid, dude. That's it. Taillight installed. Let's make sure it works. They don't seem to be working. Fair enough, I should have checked it before I screwed it all in. Let's check. Let's see if there's any bulbs in here. Inspector. Oh my goodness. Okay, fine. Okay, now we will be moving bulbs over. Alright, back to putting it back in the car. with arms wide open. Alright, let's check it. Signal. Reverse. Great. I would assume brakes are okay. No, that's it. Thank you for joining. We're getting a half decent car out of this. Pretty cool. I haven't done a walk around, I guess. So here, look. New tail light. We get these wheels from I think it was a Subaru Sandbar pickup truck. Oh, door locked, fine. Gotta get these repainted. There was those wind deflectors. Some scuffs down here. Thinking about putting some LED fog lights in here. I want to get LEDs for all the lights. They all work. Everything works. Interior. Probably gonna get it reupholstered. I got a steering wheel that I'm getting rewrapped. It's back here somewhere. Oh yeah, here it is. This is a Momo wheel for my little brother. Had it in this car, had it in an M3, had it in a few cars, I believe. This is a steering wheel from a golf cart. So it's working for now. What else? My back seat is actually a cushion from a patio sofa. That's cool. That's really it. That's the whole interior. What more do you need? Yeah. So we'll pick something up later on. I don't have any other parts coming in right now, but I think we'll be learning to do some dents on this thing just to make the paint easier, so they don't have to do all that. But this whole rear tailgate got backed into. That's why the tail light was broken. Actually held up decently well. This came like this. We'll get that fixed. Everything will be good. It'll be a nice car. It'll be halfway decent. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for joining.